Hello, my name is James Luckett, and I'm an Educational Associate and Lead Teacher of the CAST program at Stages Theater Company. The sensory-friendly performance of Bear Snores On is February 6th at 10 a.m. Now, what is a sensory-friendly performance? In this production, we will keep the house lights on, lower the sound levels, and allow for plenty of space to move around and talk if need be. This is a no-judgment performance, and everyone is welcome. To order tickets, you have to call into the box office, and that number is 952-979-1111, option 4. Seating is limited, so please order your tickets today.